Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or deny apps access to use the premium text message service on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your home screen and then swipe up, select the setting gear button here, just select that and then select the apps button or tile that appears on this page. Then you want to go down under general near the bottom where it says special app access and go ahead and select that. And then you want to go down to premium SMS on this page, selected. So if there's any installed apps that have requested premium SMS, they would be listed here, and you just would select it and then toggle it to the on position, which is toggle to the right, indicated by a blue oval. If it's gray, that means it's not using the premium SMS service. So I just want to put that out there, and pretty straightforward process on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.